Thanks for joining me in my next video. In this video, I'm going to change the air cabin filter on a 2013 Acura MDX. And I've just purchased these filters online. I'll show you the model number on the back. It's a 3-pack, and this is what they look like. So to access the air cabin filter on this particular model and year, you need to lower the glove box door. And the way you do that is you grab from this side, you squeeze inwards, and you do the same on this side. You do that with 2 hands, and you just lower the glove box. So I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, so you can see the glove box has been lowered. This is what I was referring to here. There's a little clip here. Well, this is what you want. That's why you want to squeeze this inward, so this moves away, because it pretty much goes behind here. So, and same on the other side. So that's why you squeeze it inwards on both sides and pull down, and the door comes down. So the air cabin filter is located inside here. All you need to do is just, there's a tab here, press it in, do the same on this side, and then you can pull the mechanism out. So this is what the filter looks like after almost 2 years. I replaced this back in October of 2022. It's now May of 2024. So it's trapping all the debris from outside. Otherwise, it doesn't look too bad. I could probably blow this out, but I'm not going to bother. I did purchase a new filter, so I'm just going to replace it. Okay, so here's the new filter, and on the side of it, you'll see there's an arrow pointing downwards with the words airflow. So that's the direction of the air which is coming into the vehicle. So you're going to want to make sure that that's pointing downwards. So sit it this way inside the tray, and it cannot go this way. It actually won't fit. So make sure that the sides here, the 2 white parts, are on the side of the holder with the arrow pointing downwards. So fit the filter in. That's it. This is the bottom. That's the top. Now we're just going to slide it back in, line it up, and slide it back in. And once you hear it click, it's in. So that's it. And for the door, just push it up and it should go back into place. And that concludes replacing the air cabin filter on an Acura 2013 MDX. Please give this video a like if it was helpful, and appreciate if you can subscribe. Thanks, and take care.